Assalamu alaikum. My name is Irsa. Today we will discuss plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is the boundary of protoplasm. Protoplasm is the living matter of cell. It is found in all living prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, but cell membrane is not present in animal cell. It is present only in plant cell. Plasma membrane is also called cell membrane or plasmalemma or cell surface membrane. It gives shape and mechanical support to the cells. Now we will discuss its composition. Chemically, cell membrane consists of proteins, lipids and carbohydrates. Proteins are 60 to 80%, lipids are present in 20 to 40% in amount, and small quantity of carbohydrates are also present. Lipid contents includes phospholipids and cholesterol. Cholesterol is absent in prokaryotic cell membrane. It is only present in eukaryotic. This is the difference between cell membrane of prokaryote and eukaryotes. The protein contents include various structural and functional proteins. The carbohydrates are found in conjugated form. Conjugated when two or more molecules are combined together, like glycolipids and glycoproteins. Now we will discuss the structure of plasma membrane. Fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. It was given by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. The model proposes that the membrane is a phospholipid bilayer. Bilayer means two layers of phospholipids are present in plasma membrane, in which protein molecules are either partially or wholly embedded. जो प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वो इसके अंदर पूरी तरह से जैसे वो नहीं एम्बेडेड लाइक एम्बेड हुए हैं, लाइक जिसको हम कहते हैं धंसे हुए. The proteins are scattered throughout the membrane in an irregular pattern. Irregular pattern just like large icebergs float in the sea. The pattern of distribution of proteins can vary from membrane to membrane and also vary on both surfaces of membrane. The membrane is about 7 nanometer thick. The lipid part of plasma membrane consists of two layers, means bilayer, of phospholipids which are arranged in such a way that their hydrophobic ends face each other. These are two hydrophobic ends. And hydrophilic ends are appeared on the surface. Hydrophilic means water loving and hydrophobic water repelling. The steroids cholesterols are wedged into the phospholipid bilayer at some intervals. Cholesterols are wedged into the phospholipid bilayer. Cholesterol is present in some cases. The plasma membrane is asymmetrical. In asymmetrical मतलब के their two surface and halves are not identical. They are not same. In general, most membrane proteins are observed to drift sideways. Means drift sideways, side पर हो जाती है ना fluid bilayer. It is fluid bilayer. The proteins within a membrane determine most of the functions. प्रोटीन के भी बहुत से फंक्शंस होते हैं, लिपिड्स के भी बहुत से फंक्शंस होते हैं. मैनी प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन प्रोटीन्स और ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स कुछ होती हैं जी ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स जिनके साथ कार्बोहाइड्रेट चेन होती है. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ब्रांच्ड भी होते हैं वो और अनब्रांच्ड भी होते हैं. ओलिगोसैकराइड्स आर शुगर यूनिट्स आर ईदर अटैच टू प्रोटीन्स. अगर वो प्रोटीन के साथ अटैच है कार्बोहाइड्रेट तो ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन, और लिपिड के साथ अगर कार्बोहाइड्रेट अटैच है तो उसको हम ग्लाइकोलिपिड्स कहते हैं. जनरली ऑन द आउटर साइड ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन, मेम्ब्रेन के आउटर साइड पे ग्लाइकोलिपिड्स भी होते हैं और ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स भी होते हैं जो कि एज अ रिसेप्टर्स काम करते हैं, जो कि हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे. सो अल्लाह हाफिज़.